Hi, this is Victoria Stack here. I want to talk about something that I've been thinking about for a long time, and it's called circular reasoning and the hidden logic of injustice in constitutional democracy. It's a bit of a mouthful, but I've been thinking about it for several months now. So in this video, I want to introduce an issue I'm currently developing in an upcoming paper entitled Circular Reasoning and the Hidden Logic of Injustice in Constitutional Democracy when Authority Converts Assumptions into Official Truths. This is a paper about logic, justice, decision-making, power, and accountability. The concern is simple but very serious. Sometimes injustice does not happen only because the wrong facts are found. It can also happen because the reasoning structure itself is closed. Now, for most people, this is very, very difficult to spot. Like being a mathematician trained in logic, and fairly very forensic. It's something that I can kind of spot, but I mean it's very difficult, and sometimes you have to look at a number of different patterns. It isn't one particular instance of it. You'd have to see it and look at a few different, we'll say, I'm talking about judgments here, to spot this hugely difficult issue that's rarely discussed, and that's circular reasoning in judicial findings or quasi-judicial findings or even other findings. Now, you can meet circular reasoning a lot, you can meet it, but when it comes to powerful decision making or reasoning in powerful judgments or quasi, it's extremely serious for justice. So what do I mean by this? In fair reasoning, the structure should be evidence, careful analysis, conclusion, in that order. The evidence should lead the decision maker towards the conclusion, but in circular reasoning, the structure is different. It becomes prior assumption, filtered interpretation of evidence, and same prior assumption confirmed. There's a rigidity about it.